How to read a book on Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view books and read a book. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Now on the top at the search bar, simply search for the book that you want to read or you want to view. So here I'm tapping on one. So as you can see, it has been popped up. So simply tap on the book that you want to read. Here, these are the details of the book. Now on the top, there are two different options. Buy now with one click and download sample. Here you can download it directly or even download the sample. So I prefer you download the sample because there are many books that need subscription. So simply tap on download sample and here you'll be able to read the book easily. Simply tap on read now and you're all ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.